Hey, greetings Team Hayes. This is Max Cleaver, Chief Operations Officer. And because I'm over 6 feet from everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and unmask so that you can hear me talk. So we're here today to talk about the chemicals we're using for disinfecting in our school district. Here on my right, we have HDQ number 2. This is the main disinfectant we'll be using in the hands of the custodians. They'll generally be using a microfiber cloth to wipe it up afterwards. But this will be for our custodians, and they'll have the proper PPE, the gloves and the goggles and everything they need for disinfecting with this chemical. We do things like our restrooms with this, the cafeteria tables, and frequently touched surfaces throughout the school. Regarding our nurses and our transportation buses and vehicles, we've selected a chemical called vital oxide. This particular unit will be deployed in all of our school buses and each of our nurses' offices. It's a 2-gallon bucket with 1,100 pre-moistened wipes with a chemical called vital oxide. And to learn more about that, you can go to vitaloxide.com. With transportation and nurses, they'll additionally have a Victory handheld sprayer. And our friends over at Hotzi Carlson have provided us with some additional training videos on how to use this unit. Lastly, for our classrooms, we're going to deploy isopropyl alcohol. This is a mixture of 1 part water and 2 parts 99% isopropyl alcohol. The reason we selected this for the classrooms is really threefold. First of all, you can use it in addition to cleaning surfaces, you can use it as a hand sanitizer. We'll be providing each class with a box of wipe-all rags, wipe-all wipes. It's a compostable wipe to wipe surfaces. The other thing that's good about the isopropyl is you'll be able to hit your keyboards and electronics with it. Now what I want you to make sure to do is make sure you spray that on your rag first and then wipe your keyboard. Don't spray the keyboard directly. So thank y'all for paying attention, and y'all have a good day. We're looking forward to seeing you back this fall. Hey, good day again, Team Hayes. Max Cleaver. I just wanted to follow up a little bit more about our disinfecting plan and our chemicals that we're using for that. So in order to disinfect and actually get the EPA kill rating, you have to have what's called dwell time. The chemical actually has to dwell on the surface a certain amount of time in order to make the kill rating. With the vital oxide, that dwell time is 10 minutes. With the HDQ number 2, that's also 10 minutes. And with the isopropyl alcohol, that's got about a 1-minute dwell time. So if you aren't able to have that dwell time for whatever reason, because students are coming into the class or for whatever reason, you are actually sanitizing and not disinfecting. You're still killing germs, but in order to get that actual disinfecting rating, you have to have the dwell time. So again, 10 minutes, and 60 seconds. Thanks for listening, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon.
Hi, welcome to Johnson High School. My name is Laura Facundo. I'm head custodian here at Johnson High. And today we're going to go over just a little bit of the steps we're going to be taking to ensure your children are safe here at the school. We are going to wipe down some cafeteria tables for now. We're going to use our number 2 main chemical, HDQC2, and that is our main disinfectant here on campus. So basically, we're going to wipe down all the tables, spray them. Mr. Senior here to assist me. The most important thing that we want to focus is on the dwell time. We have to wait 10 minutes for the chemical to set in and make sure it disinfects. And after that is when we will do our wipe down. So we waited our 10 minutes and now we start wiping down our tables. Circular motion. And make sure before you go on to your next table, you're going to flip over your towel, making sure it's correct for a clean towel. And make sure you flip it over again. You have 8 times to flip your towel over. And you can use the same towel. We have plenty of towels to make sure we use a clean towel for each table.
Hey, good morning. It's Max Cleaver again. I just wanted to talk to you real briefly about electrostatic fogging. The district has a couple of different options that we'll be deploying in the field, and there's some video of some of our team members actually using these two devices so you can see what it looks like when it's actually deploying the chemical. So we believe we've selected one of the safer chemicals. It's called vital oxide. This is the chemical that will be, when we do have a response action that requires fogging, we want to spray vital oxide. It is on the EPA N list, as are all our other disinfectants that we're using. But just real quick, this is the unit that the custodians have under their control. It's actually a corded model. Corded, it plugs in. It's got the on, off, high, medium, and low switch here. Excuse me, the selector switch here, and you got the on and off switch on this side. And then we have a whole lot more detailed training on this Victory sprayer from the manufacturer's rep at Hotsy Carlson, and he gave us some training earlier today. The main point to bring home is that we think this is a safe chemical. PPE, personal protective equipment, is not required, but it is recommended, and we have all of that for when you are ready to spray this chemical. We have it for your use if you choose to use it. So thank you, and look forward to seeing you soon.